and looking ahead to a big moment tonight.
Exactly. Excitement is building. I know we're talking about drought a little bit in the news headlines at the moment, but hopefully no gold drought here tonight for the Lionesses. Big match, of course, at Sheffield. We've had a bit of light rain or drizzle so far today. This afternoon into the evening, looking dry with a few more cloud breaks as well. Not especially warm.
Sally's back now. You're talking about it being dry, but what are you clutching there?
Well, our viewers are so amazing. So yesterday I was talking about my broken pink umbrella, and today I turned up to do an interview with a lovely man who'd organised it, who watched a programme last night and said, Sally, I heard about your umbrella. I've got you a new one.
I mean, the question is how a weather presenter does not have her own umbrella.
Oh, I am hopeless. I do have them, but then I leave them. I leave them at people's houses when I do stories. They're all over the place. They're all over London, my umbrellas. We don't need them at the moment, so we're OK. Here we go. Here's the forecast. Hello again. I hope you had a lovely day. Isn't this a great photo of, I think, mother and baby? Really beautiful. And what we lack in sunshine at the moment, we are making up for slowly in sunflowers. I hope you've managed to spot some. The occasional shower around this evening, not nearly enough though. And then for this week, quite a cloudy picture. There will be some brighter spots at times, and it's slowly getting a little bit warmer as we get towards the end of the working week. So we're not too worried about grass pollen at the moment, but there is some wee pollen around from mugwort and wildflowers and some spores too, and those levels are at medium or moderate for the next few days. I'll see you later on. Cheerio.
What have you got in store for us then, Stav?
Hi, Sophie. More of the same for the short term, and then it's warming up by the end of the week. Good evening to you. It's rather cool at the moment compared to last week. In fact, many parts of England and Wales are a good 20 degrees cooler than what we had last week. So that is pretty noticeable. Cooler by day and also cooler by night. Now, as we've heard there on the news about the rainfall deficit across the country, that is set to continue in the short term. Parts of northern Scotland, though, nearly where we should be looking at this time in July with rainfall amounts. But head further south, that deficit is particularly noticeable, especially for England and Wales. Parts of the Midlands, southern and eastern England, well below what we should be looking for at this point in July. And in fact, some parts of southern England are on course for seeing one of their driest Julys on record. Some stations and not picking up any measurable rainfall whatsoever. Now, as we end the week, things are set to warm up as we start to pick up southerly winds. It's not going to be wall-to-wall sunshine, and it's not going to be an intense heat wave by any means, but it will feel warmer, and there will be some showers around, most of these in the north and the west of the country. Sophie.
And before you run us through the full forecast, what are we expecting for the big match tonight?
Well, fingers crossed. I think the weather is on our side. It isn't going to be blazing sunshine, but you wouldn't want to play in that kind of weather anyway. But I think we can actually take a quick look at a live picture from Sheffield, and as you can see at the moment there, it is certainly on the dry side. They have seen some showers there today, and there's still some showers around at the moment. In fact, if we take a little look at what we're expecting as we head through the next few hours, this is the situation then for Bramall Lane, the home of Sheffield United, which is obviously hosting the semi-final tonight. And as you can see, as we head through, it does start to turn on the drier side. Still a few showers around for kick-off, but I think as we head through into the second half, it should be fairly dry. So it's not the rain that we need, but at least there will be some showers in the next few days.
Yeah. OK, well, that'll have to do for the time being. Alex, thank you very much indeed.
Hello, yes, it's been a little bit of a cooler day today. There's been quite a bit of cloud around in most places as well. A few showers dotted about too, so you've needed to keep your brolly a bit handy, as some of these weather watchers have highlighted through the course of this afternoon. But it wasn't all cloud and wet weather, because we have seen some sunshine break out at times. It has been, as I say, quite an overcast day, but we'll see that sunshine break out a little bit more as we go through the rest of this evening.
Hello. Temperatures for a fair few of you today have been some 20 degrees cooler than they were at the same time last week. And with that fresh air in place today, a much cooler night to come tonight. Probably the chilliest of the week, under partly clear and largely dry conditions.
The first half of the year was the driest in almost 50 years, according to the Met Office. The Environment Agency is warning we could see more periods of drought and is urging us all to use water wisely. For now, though, from me and all the team here, do have a lovely evening. Bye-bye.